Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you don't have a Ring doorbell yet, why not? You should have one. So this is what it is here. I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what it looks like here inside. So this one here is gonna be the wired one. I know you can get a wireless one that has a rechargeable battery. Don't wanna do that, but so I'll show you guys what is all in here. So in this, we get a few different things. We get a powered by Ring sticker we can put on our window. We have the doorbell. So this is gonna be the doorbell here. So it's got the push button there and then the camera up there. And then you see it wires into your existing doorbell with the two little wires there. That's where it's gonna get its power from. So that's it. And then it looks like we get, what else do we have in here? Oh, the battery. So there's our battery. Is this battery or is this the power thing? Oh, I think this is like a thing that you can put in between the transformer and your one there. So if the power is not correct, it'll even it out. Kind of remember something like that. A couple of screws. This here, if you have your alarm, if you have your doorbell kind of at an angle, this lets you put it in an angle. So if it's on the side, which it is in this house, so it'll aim it a little bit closer towards your so it'll aim better. Just kind of lets you aim it with a wedge. Very nice. What else is in here? And then the instructions. So that's what you get in there. So pretty cool. So I'm gonna say I like this. I have these things there. So